Welcome back, my fellow explorers of the unknown. Tonight we plunge into the blackest depths of our oceans, a place where sunlight struggles to reach and shadows hold ancient secrets. We're drawn, as always, by the whispers of the unexplained, the echoes of phenomena that defy easy explanation. Today we uncover the eerie and unexplained underwater sounds that have baffled scientists and sent chills down the spines of those who dare to listen. These aren't the familiar clicks of dolphins or the whale songs that echo through the deep. No, these are sounds that speak of something else, something massive, something unknown. Prepare yourselves, because tonight we descend into the abyss to confront three of the most unsettling sounds ever captured from the ocean depths. Turn down the lights, turn up the volume, and hold your breath. You're about to enter the nightmare zone. In the summer of 1997, deep beneath the vast expanse of the South Pacific, hydrophones used by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration picked up something extraordinary. It was a powerful, ultra-low frequency sound, far louder than any known marine animal could produce. This chilling sound, heard across multiple sensors thousands of miles apart, would become known as the bloop. Imagine a sound so deep, so resonant that it seems to vibrate your very bones. That's the bloop. It rises from the abyssal plain, a guttural groan that seems to defy the laws of nature. Scientists, baffled by its power and unique audio signature, scrambled to find an explanation. Could it be the sound of a colossal underwater landslide, or perhaps the carving of a gigantic iceberg? The bloop was simply too loud, too monstrous to be easily explained away. Whispers began to circulate of something enormous, lurking in the unexplored depths. Could the bloop be the vocalization of a colossal sea monster, a leviathan of the deep? And yet, the bloop remained unexplained. Adding fuel to the fire was the location where the sound originated. A remote region of the Pacific Ocean, not far from the location H.P. Lovecraft chose for the sunken city of R'lyeh, the watery tomb of his fictional cosmic horror, Cthulhu. In 2005, scientists studying the sounds of ice shelf movements discovered a striking similarity between these sounds and the bloop. It seemed plausible that the bloop was the result of a massive ice quake, the sound of an ice shelf fracturing and collapsing into the frigid waters. To this day, the true origin of the bloop remains a mystery, a chilling reminder of the vastness and mystery of our oceans. Was it the death throes of a colossal iceberg, or the roar of something far more sinister, something that lurks in the deepest, darkest corners of our planet? One thing is certain, the bloop serves as a stark reminder that we have only just begun to scratch the surface of what lies beneath the waves. So, the next time you find yourself gazing out at the vast expanse of the ocean, remember the bloop. Remember that beneath the waves, in the cold, dark depths, secrets slumber. Secrets that, when revealed, have the power to both amaze and terrify. Secrets that remind us that we are but visitors in a world far older and more mysterious than we can possibly imagine. March 1st, 1999, the equatorial Pacific Ocean. Once again, the sensitive ears of underwater listening stations designed to monitor seismic activity and the movements of marine life picked up something truly bizarre. This time it wasn't a deep, booming groan like the bloop, but a sound that sent shivers down the spines of those who heard it, a sustained, eerie wail, mournful and haunting, that seemed to echo across the abyssal plain. This was the Julia sound. Unlike the bloop, which lasted for a little over a minute, the Julia sound stretched on for an agonizingly long 15 seconds, its mournful cry seeming to pierce the very soul. It was as if some gargantuan creature, wounded and lost, was crying out in the depths, its voice a chilling lament that echoed across the miles. The sound was captured by multiple hydrophones in the Pacific, confirming its existence and ruling out the possibility of it being a mere anomaly or equipment malfunction. Whatever produced the Julia sound was real, and it was massive. Theories abounded. Some speculated that the Julia sound was the result of a large iceberg scraping against the ocean floor, its immense weight grinding against the rock. producing that haunting wail. Others pointed to the possibility of a previously undocumented species of whale, its calls far stranger and more unsettling than any we'd encountered before. But there were those who dared to venture into the realm of the truly unknown. Could the Julia sound be the death rattle of some colossal sea creature, its final agonizing moments captured by our listening devices? Or perhaps even more unsettling, was it a form of communication from something intelligent, something ancient and unknowable, lurking in the deepest trenches of our oceans? The Julia sound, like the Bloop before it, captured the imagination of those who heard it. It stood as a stark reminder that our oceans, vast and deep, hold secrets that continue to elude us. Secrets that, when revealed, have the power to challenge our understanding of the world and our place within it. To this day, the true nature of the Julia sound remains a mystery. Was it the mournful cry of a dying leviathan, the scraping of an iceberg against the ocean floor, or something even more bizarre and unsettling? The answer, lost in the echoing depths, continues to haunt us. Perhaps one day, with advancements in technology and our understanding of the deep sea, we will finally unravel the mysteries of the Julia sound. Until then, it remains a chilling reminder of the vastness and the unknown that lie beneath the waves. Chapter 3. The Upsweep, an Unending Enigma. In the realm of unexplained underwater sounds, few are as persistent and perplexing as the upsweep. First detected in 1991 by the Pacific Marine Environmental Laboratory, this enigmatic sound has puzzled scientists for decades. Unlike the Bloop and the Julia sound, which were singular events, the upsweep is a continuous seasonal sound, rising and falling in intensity throughout the year. Imagine a sound that never truly ceases, a constant low-frequency hum that permeates the ocean depths. That's the upsweep. It's characterized by a long train of narrow-band upsweeping sounds, each lasting for several seconds, repeating at regular intervals. It's as if some unseen hand is slowly turning a dial, increasing the pitch of this underwater hum, then letting it fall again, over and over, in an endless, maddening cycle. The source of the upsweep remains a mystery, but its consistent nature has allowed scientists to pinpoint its approximate location, a region of intense volcanic activity in the Pacific Ocean. This has led to speculation that the upsweep may be related to volcanic processes, perhaps the movement of magma beneath the ocean floor or the release of hydrothermal fluids. One theory suggests that the upsweep is caused by superheated water interacting with volcanic rock. As the water is heated by the magma, it expands and rises, creating vibrations that travel through the water as sound waves. These sound waves, when picked up by our hydrophones, manifest as the upsweep. Another theory posits that the upsweep is related to the movement of tectonic plates. As the plates grind against each other, they create seismic waves that can travel through the water, producing a variety of sounds, including the upsweep. While these theories offer plausible explanations, they are far from conclusive. The upsweep's unique characteristics, its continuous nature and seasonal variations, make it difficult to definitively link it to any known geological process. The mystery, it seems, runs deeper than we can currently fathom. Some have even speculated that the upsweep could be biological in origin, perhaps the calls of a massive unknown species of marine life. However, the sound's consistent frequency and lack of any discernible pattern make this explanation unlikely. The upsweep, then, remains an enigma, a constant reminder of the vastness and mystery of our oceans. It's a sound that defies easy explanation, a testament to the fact that we still have much to learn about the world beneath the waves. Perhaps one day, with advancements in technology and our understanding of the deep sea, we will finally unravel the mystery of the upsweep. Until then, it will continue to echo through the depths, a constant, unsettling reminder of the unknown. So there you have it, Three chilling tales of the unexplained from the darkest corners of our oceans. The Bloop, the Julia Sound, the Upsweep, each a haunting reminder that we are but visitors in a world far older and more mysterious than we can possibly imagine. If you enjoyed this dive into the unknown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more spine-chilling stories from the depths. And be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss our next descent into the nightmare zone. Leave a comment below if you have any theories or if there's a mysterious sound you'd like us to explore next. Until next time, sleep tight and don't let the sound of the deep keep you awake.